In this tutorial, I'll show you how to take an online quiz in Blackboard Ultra. While in your course, find the quiz your instructor has posted. Quizzes are usually marked with a paper icon. Click on the quiz title to open it. Here, you'll see the quiz instructions, number of questions, points possible, and any time limits. Be sure to read everything carefully before starting. When you're ready, click Start Attempt. Depending on how your instructor set up the quiz, you may only have one attempt, or multiple attempts may be allowed. As you work through the quiz, select your answers and use the navigation panel to move between questions. Some quizzes may require you to answer in order, while others let you skip and return later. If your quiz has a timer, keep an eye on the countdown in the upper right corner. Once time runs out, the quiz will automatically submit. When you're finished, click Submit at the bottom of the screen. Blackboard will ask you to confirm before finalizing your submission. What happens after you submit depends on the settings your instructor chose. You may see your score right away. You might only see whether your answers were correct or incorrect, or you may need to wait until your instructor releases the results. In some cases, you may not see the correct answers at all. Always review your instructor's directions and course policies so you know what to expect.